All right, guys, so I'm gonna give you guys that cold start y'all love to hear. Y'all see it right there live in action. I gotta close up the hood now. Yes, sir. Slam that bitch with my door. He probably cracked and shit. All right, guys, let's give you guys that cold start y'all love to hear. Come on, come on. Sheesh, is that a Tommy now? First pull of the day on eco mode. All right. Sheesh. All right, my boy. We got 12 here already. What is up in the Delio, in the Emilio, in the Cafilio? Today is a beautiful morning like always, guys. You guys gotta appreciate everything, guys. Let's get straight to the video. Let's give you guys that Tommy cold start y'all love to hear, guys. Let's get this shit on the route. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna let her warm up right now. Meanwhile, I'll let her warm up. You guys already know today there is a car meet to go to. Partly based off of Los Angeles, LA. You guys, is gonna be the biggest volume #1 with all of automotive stands Tuesday, saw stands, all that freaking, all the teams, all the big teams are gonna collab together as one and make a huge event, guys. And you guys already know how your boy does. You guys wanna see all that? Let's make it happen. Let's make it a banger. Let's see what the hell is gonna go on tonight, guys. I might go, I might not go, but who knows? Right now, I'm gonna go put fuel in this car because she's a fuel taker. No gas at all right now, guys. And then I'm gonna take out some cash. And your boy's about to go get a haircut because he hasn't got a haircut by the best barber in town, Alessandro. Y'all already know. Stay tuned for what's to come. I'll give you guys a couple of pulls right now. Let her warm up, and then we'll see what the hell's gonna go on today, guys. Stay tuned for what's to come, y'all. Sheesh. First pull of the day on eco mode. Sheesh. That was the first pull of the day, guys, for you guys. I know you guys love to see that. That was the first pull of the day. And back to filling up gas. Like always, thanks, Biden. I appreciate you. Your gas prices are freaking insane. And you can just keep making them skyrocket, you know? Later on, put them like at, I would say maybe like $7 already. They're almost there and shit. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go pump some 40 bucks of gas really fast to see what it does to it. It's pretty much not gonna do nothing. It's gonna be like at maybe from 34 miles, it's gonna go up to like 100. I guarantee you guys gonna go up to like 100 miles. That's it. That's all I'm gonna get with this car with 40 bucks, sadly. But yeah, guys, right now there's no vlog ones for pumping some elote. If you guys know where this is, you guys know where we're at. But yes, sir. There's no vlogger now, pumping some elote. And then go get the magic sauce and then go get the cut. Stay tuned, guys. Yes, sir, I was right. Look, I told you guys, it only gave me 106 miles. Fuck you, Biden. This shit would literally fill up close to the F back then for 30 bucks, but they said get a Hellcat, right? Sheesh. I was in the vlog now, guys. Damn, look at that carbon fiber though. Zoom in a little bit better. Sheesh. Stay tuned, guys. First pull of the day on eco mode. Sheesh. That was the first pull of the day, guys, for you guys. I know you guys love to see that. That was the first pull of the day. And back to filling up gas. Like always, thanks, Biden. I appreciate you. Your gas prices are freaking insane. And you can just keep making them skyrocket, you know? Later on, put them like at, I would say maybe like $7 already. They're almost there and shit. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go pump some 40 bucks of gas really fast to see what it does to it. It's pretty much not gonna do nothing. It's gonna be like at maybe from 34 miles, it's gonna go up to like 100. I guarantee you guys gonna go up to like 100 miles. That's it. That's all I'm gonna get with this car with 40 bucks, sadly. But yeah, guys, right now there's no vlog ones for pumping some elote. If you guys know where this is, you guys know where we're at. But yes, sir. There's no vlogger now, pumping some elote. And then go get the magic sauce and then go get the cut. Stay tuned, guys. Yes, sir, this is my second home, guys. My second home where I spend my time at right here. But oh well, they said to get us Hellcat, right? A V8. So yes, we're here again, pumping some gas. Sadly, I hate you, fucking gas station. Be taking all my money all the time. Why can't gas be free? Why can't it be free? Why the hell does it have to cost money? Literally 6 gallons, you used to be able to put 6 gallons with like, I would say 20 bucks. Now it's like 30 bucks, $10 more for 6 gallons. Oh well, we out here though, guys. There's no vlogger now. Stay tuned, let's see how much I get. So we're at 33, right? Let's see. Yeah, we're at 33 miles. So let's see how much we get right now. Sheesh. Yes, indeed. She's looking sparkly clean. You guys see her shiny as hell with the clear coat. I'm gonna take a picture of her right now. She be looking aggressive as hell. Look at that front end. Sheesh. Clean ass front end. Yes, sir. She makes me happy. Is she worth it? Yes, she's worth the money. I hate her though. She eats too much. I don't know why she eats too much. She should eat less. But let's see what $30 does. Supreme 91. You already know it has to be 91. Now let's see what it does. Open the gas tank up. Pop it open. Put it in like always. That's what he said. That's what she said. And now let's see what 30 bucks does for us. It's going in right now. What do you guys think from 33 miles? Let me know. Take a guess in the comment section below, guys. All right, y'all. So I pulled up to the homies freaking pad to cut my hair right now, guys. I'm about to cut the hair, and once I cut my hair, I was in the vlog, guys. You guys already know what the dealio is. Let's see what the hell's gonna go down tonight. I'm not even sure if your boy's gonna go to the meet or see what the hell's gonna crack tonight, but something has to happen tonight, guys. And you guys already know, most certainly your boy makes shit happen at all times, guys. So stay tuned for what's to come. Ours in the vlog right now, guys. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You gotta mask up, everybody. But so the Hellcat is not gonna go to the car meet. Does not want to go, guys. It's gonna be here in the house. I'm gonna keep it here, guys. I was gonna go to the Chino meet automotive. SRT, dog. Is that a fucking Tommy? I'm just gonna get the radar, cop radar. I'm gonna pull it out really fast. You guys see it live in action, because we are going to a takeover, guys. Yes, your boy hasn't been to a takeover in a while, so I just came home to get the radar for the homie. We're gonna go on this truck right now, guys, and a takeover is gonna be crazy. It's Sunday fun day. You guys see it right there. We're gonna go on that little fucking Ford F-150. We're gonna put the radar on right now. Ponta la lucecita, a ver. Ay, papi.
Yes,
La cosa va a ir aquí, right here, guys. They're chilling.
Imagine the cat in the impound.
You gotta put this shit. Where'd it go? Right here or what? Oh yeah, right here. Sheesh! Prendate, escort.
And then when the cops come, show them how you take it off.
Oh yeah, and then when the cops come, guys, all you guys gotta do is this. Look. Oh shit! Here goes. Oh, there you go. You don't see it no more. Voila. Hey, what, officer? There's nothing here. Like, what you talking about, man? All right, put it back on. Yes, sir. Now we have it on. You can change the mode on this Escort shit. You can even go like, look, highway, auto, however you want. Highway's the best because it gives you the best detection as far as hell, and it lets you know where they're at. Yes, sir. It is a freaking king. This thing saves your ass all the time. I've been like 5 freaking tickets, almost getting tickets, and I don't have them because of that shit. That shit helps me out. That shit comes in clutch. I could have almost got in trouble, y'all, but nah, because of this shit right here.
Really, like good, like.
Yeah, it works good as hell. Hell yeah, this shit's new.
If he has a scanner on, it's scanning it.
Yeah. Right, bro. Hell yeah. Look at the troca. It is a little kid in a truck, guys. What the hell? Hey, how old are you, bro?
Fucking 20, bro.
Sheesh. What the fuck? Take a ride. In a 2020 or 2022, and it has a 5.0 engine. Like, you hardly see this type of engines in these freaking trucks. Like, they don't come like that. He ordered it customized. Sheesh. Pinche rico. I want to be like you, daddy. Sheesh. All right, y'all. Stay tuned. I'm in the vlog right now. And pray for my life, guys, because this motherfucker drives like a crazy ass maniac. He goes wild, he goes insane, he goes maniacs and shit. Like, I told him, hey, bájale huevos. Like, nah, I don't give a fuck. He goes all fast. Hey, puro gas, yeah. Nah, I'm not a cop, nigga. Where? Oh, sheesh. I'm gonna turn out the fucking loose. Ahí está la derecha, güey. It's not detecting it because he has his radar off. So
where's he?
It's on the right.
Oh.
Damn, my boy here's a fucking good cop detector. I don't even think we need this shit no more.
I was finna slip on that shit.
Hey, fuck you, biche putos. I hate them.
I think you should go straight.
I don't even know.
I'm gonna get this a little snack.
What? Look at this shit.
You want to go eat?
Shit.
You want to eat or a snack real quick?
I want to go eat, bro. Right. And he be using this shit all the time. The fucking manual mode. It was crazy.
Sport mode, homie. So go straight, so the freeway's right there.
Alright, guys, I'm just in the vlog right now. I don't know, maybe in a bit right now. I don't know if we're gonna get there right now or not, but wish us luck. What the fuck? He fucking honked at you? Nigga, you don't do that shit. You don't know if they have a gun in there. What the fuck? This nigga flipped the guy behind us off.
Well, why do you honk?
Nigga, you never
barely turned green.
I
told him that, but he don't believe me.
Bro, they gotta have a gun, but like, what the fuck? Alright, and some niggas don't give a fuck. The fucking bullet will go through your window, right through your skull, and you're out, nigga.
Hey, you're not supposed to be because you're on YouTube.
Hell yeah, I know.
That happened to JP, they shot his back window out.
Yeah?
Yeah, hey,
but
here's the thing, why did he honk at me right as it turned fucking green?
I don't know.
That's rude.
You got no bigger prison. Yeah. All right, y'all. So original vlogger now. Wish us luck. We're gonna go over there right now. We're gonna see how Litty gets. And yes, I haven't been to a takeover in a long ass time. I used to like them a lot, but they're dangerous as hell. You know, people be getting smacked like crazy.
Man, it's because y'all would go to what is that? CDK, bro.
Oh yeah,
Those motherfuckers are stupid.
Yeah, they kind of are.
That shit don't exist anymore.
Yeah.
You gotta catch me on a roof watching it there.
All right, y'all. So wish us luck. We're gonna go. Make sure we get there safe right now. Drive calmadito. And yes, sir, we're gonna make this shit a banger, guys.
I wonder why it's gonna be a banger, because we're going to LA, not OC.
Oh yeah, see that? Because we're going to LA, not OC. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm about to the freeway right now.
That's when you know it's getting ratchet out there, because that shit's a fucking war zone right now. Especially
they don't give a fuck.
Everyone, all
Everyone's
rappers
worried about the crime, not the donuts.
Yup, and all the rappers be dying out there and shit. Like everyone.
Oh, that was just Drake. The freeway.
Draco died. Draco.
Oh, that's right.
Sheesh. All right, y'all. I'm the vloggers right now. Wish us luck, and yes, we're gonna make this shit a banger, guys. There's gonna be people doing donuts, burnouts, and you guys haven't seen this. Rob hasn't been showing you guys this type of footage vlog in a while, but yes, your boy's gonna do it. We're gonna make it happen. I'm gonna record some great footage for you guys. You guys are gonna be able to see all the motherfucking cars spin, but this motherfucker's not gonna do anything crazy. I'm not gonna let him. He's not gonna burn tires. We're just gonna go record and do some crazy shit, guys. I was in the vlog on that one, so we're right there at the spot and to see what's up. There's like a total, how much spots? Like 5 or 6 or like a lot?
Stop till 1 a.m.
Yeah, till like 1 a.m. I believe.
But we ain't gonna go to all that.
Yeah.
Why? Because yeah,
because we all have reality tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we gotta go back to
gotta do
college. But yeah, so yeah, guys. So I was in the vlogger now. When's up? We get there. Wish us luck. You know, this was the maniacs and shit, but yeah. Mira, valiendo verga. All right, guys. I was in the vlogger now. Stay tuned, and yeah, hopefully it's a good time. You guys already know what the dealio is, and see some great footage on us. Some great cars getting ratchet. Sheesh! The new BRZs. That shit's fresh. My boy. Damn, your windows are black as hell. You can now see out them. Sheesh. That shit's crazy. You guys see that shit? That's the new BRZ, y'all. Damn. Is that a Tommy Dog?
Look at the.
Look at that truck, compa! Compa, you wanna go to the montañas? Ay, compa! Sheesh! We out here! Oh, compa! That shit is crazy, compa! We're trying to go, just trying to see heaven! Sheesh! We out here, that's my first time seeing that. I know you can see everything. He could go over anything he wants. Oh yeah, we out here though. You already know what the dealio is. We're in LA, guys.
Yeah, get your
We out here to the next bound right now, to trying to go over there to the spot, see some takeover action. Stay tuned for what's to come. You already know. Your boy over here flexing with the car wash. Sheesh. Man, that truck is crazy. I've never seen a fucking truck that tall. That shit is crazy. Then we got the radar right here, guys. Yes, sir. That's the must. Always gotta be careful with the cops. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, so quick little update. Someone got killed right now. They're getting murdered right there, like outside of the freaking bank. I don't know what the fuck happened. Like, that shit was crazy, guys. So we had to get the fuck out of there. Like, sorry for my cussing. I not really cuss a lot. Sorry for my watchers and all that, but yeah, we're right there by the bank, and like someone was getting chopped up, you know, so we had to come back, and the GPS was throwing us off track. It was making us go crazy and all that, guys. So we're gonna go hit another spot to the meet in Chino. So it looks like the Hellcat will be going out today. We're gonna go to Chino, and then from there record a couple of cars parking and chilling, and go get ourselves some tacos. You already know what the dealio is, in the medio is, in the Cafilio, and the Zilio. He's the driver. Yes, sir. We're here right now, and yes, sir. We got the other guy right here. Yes. Stay tuned. We go home safe for now. Ours and vlog. Oh, we out here.
You know what
sir?
Jay is? You know what
Yes, sir.
Jay is?
Huh?
You know what Jay is?
Yeah, with the 350.
Yeah, the one.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we out here though. Y'all already know what the deal is with that 350Z. Let's go see how the madre. This is I came with. Let's go. Todo pa' cara. Cara la verga. Sheesh. Get that shit. That's right. Sheesh. Este mañana, fíjate que de shit. Me van a atropellar la verga, güey. Yes, sir. All the fucking bikes. Papa Willie. 12's already here. That means time to go. It was worth coming for a little bit. I got you guys out right now. 12 is here. We out this bitch. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's fucking crazy, y'all. Cops already here, guys. We all gotta leave now, but yes, sir. Damn. All right, y'all, this is the end of today's vlog. Y'all already know what the dealio is and Emilio is. We with the homies right here. We're ganging them. Yes, sir, yes, sir. But guys, that was the end of the video today, guys. Like, honestly, it would have been a blast. It would have been bad as fuck. But we pulled up late, and once we were there late, obviously the cops pulled up, and then we all had to leave out soon. So, mission failed. But I still got some content for you guys. You guys saw that, right? It was pretty lit. We got there like with 20 minutes to spare and see some shit go down. So, I'm here right now. I'm gonna work on the video right now when I get home. I appreciate all of the support. It's been your boy Rob, and stay tuned for what's to come, because you already know every day is a better day to better yourself mentally, physically, and you gotta go bigger, you gotta go better, and this is the year, guys. 2022. How we making this shit happen? Sheesh. Stay tuned, guys. You already know what the deal is. I appreciate everything, guys, and like DJ Hunt says it, remember why you started.
What's up, God? Stop playing it.